Friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Rajaram Gudiwal, and as my today's topic is constructor. First, constructor, as the name suggests, is a terminology been used to construct something on our programs. Okay, so basically, we think deeper. We always were declaring variable and later initializing them. Java, being object-oriented language, our goal is a uh, to bring code closer to real world where we create objects. Now somebody is a noded needed to look over the constructions of this object to get to how they uh, are internally working. Okay, then uh, illustrations. Okay, animal gorilla equals to new animal, and then parameter. Okay, yeah. Is constructor. They now here gorilla is an object and can be set 0 or null, just unlike in the char float etc. So basically we need initialize this object per requirements. This give that there can be multiple types of constructors. Okay, some of the geeks now must be wondering that they are unaware of the concept still they were successfully able to run programs. Okay, the answer is simple as the exist default constructor having an empty body which always called automatically if no constructor. Number one constructor is a returns which was the reason for the successful initializations object backend. Now you must be wondering if this constructor is a calling is a, it itself automatically the way they arise a need for multiple constructor. Refer to the above illustrations. Now, for same where can imagine many attributes are associated with it and cannot initialize with zero or null. It will make so sense. Hence, we get to now where default constructor body is empty and still here arise the need for something to initialize attributes objects in the Java. Okay, now geek moving ahead, the wondering about this keyword with the help of Ortigam goal, but when a salability of code increases, it becomes so tedious in initialize attributes for objects. We replace required assign duplicates or code. So just likely same way have constructors which initialize can sell. Okay. Um, Next, how constructor different from method Java. Okay, constructor must have a same name. The class within which defined is not a necessary of method in Java. Okay, constructor is do not return types while methods. Okay, have return type while it if did does not return any value. Okay, then a constructor are called only once at a time of object creation, while method can be called a number time. Okay, now it has come up with the syntax for constructor being invoked the time of object of instance creation. Okay, class Shubham, a construct example class Shubham, a constructor new Shubham. We can create a object class using the below comment statement. This statement called above is the also comments, and Shubham obj equals to new Shubham, Okay, is a creator object, and then is a simple example. Okay friends, uh, okay friends, thank you.